कोई आना चाहता है मेरे साथ ड्राइव के लिए? Go for a beautiful long drive in this beautiful, beautiful car. A very, very good evening to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming out. Thank you. This is a most prestigious and big day for me, for Maruti Suzuki, the launch of this beautiful Ciaz. A round of applause for the efforts of the R&D department, the amount of work put into this gorgeous machine. I can vouch for this. We shot a television commercial last month for this. We went to Porbandar in Gujarat, where I also shot Ram Leela. And there's a lot of love for me there. And we went to Porbandar, and there were these long open roads, gorgeous roads. And I had an opportunity to drive this on those wonderful roads, and I can tell you, it is a beast. As much as it is a beauty, it is a beast. Gorgeous from the outside, powerful on the inside. It is a performer, stylish, elegant. As sexy as it looks on the outside, it's even sexier on the inside. Touch screen, plush, I mean, it's comfortable. I love it. I'm really over the moon, the fact that I've been presented this car. And it's a really happy day for me. A very big day for me, like I said. Because, I mean, think of the legacy that Maruti Suzuki as a company has in our country. Me and my family have at any given time, sometimes in multiples, owned a Maruti Suzuki. It's a fact. Sir, from the 800 to the 1000 to the Esteem, to the Esteem VX, to the WagonR, to the Omni, to the SX4, to the Baleno, you name it, we have, and the Zen, of course. Who can forget the Zen? Such a great company, such a great legacy of top-notch products, and that's why the entire country has such confidence in it, that before the prices are even announced, we have 10,000 bookings. A round of applause for that achievement. Thank you all. Thank you, Shivani. Thank you, sir.
Ranveer. Thank you. If I could now please call up on stage Mr. R.S. Kalsi and Mr. C.V. Ram, please. Please come up and let's give them a round of applause, please. Gentlemen, if we could just get you to stand. Yes, perfect. Great. Okay, I'd now like to open the floor to questions. Please, if they're directed to Ranveer, let's keep it about the Maruti Ciaz. Thank you. Yes, lady.
Hello, Ranveer.
Can we get some mics on the floor, please?
Ranveer. Here.
One second. Do you want some seats?
Ranveer.
Okay, first question, please. The gentleman in the back here. Yes?
Ranveer, this is Rakesh here. आपने अपनी कार कब चलाई थी और उससे जुड़ी कोई स्पेशल मेमोरी?
You know, जो मेमोरी मेरे जहन में ज़्यादा vivid है, that is my first kiss in my first car. And I'm very, very proud and happy to tell you that it was in a Maruti Suzuki 1000. मेहरून कलर की थी जनाब, and मैंने उसका नाम रखा था because I was so in love with that car. I had it for a good 4 years. My first car, my first Maruti. मैंने उसका नाम रखा था. आप जानेंगे उसका नाम क्या था? I have never revealed this to anybody ever. This is a very special moment for me when the world gets to know what I had named my first car. जनाब, मैंने गाड़ी का नाम रखा था प्रेमा.
Yes, lady in white. 1 second, it's coming.
Hi Ranveer, this is Latika from 9am. You must have heard about the song आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठा. तो इस गाड़ी में आप किसको बिठाना चाहेंगे?
आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जाओ. बाबा सहगल का गाना नहीं था?
हाँ, लेकिन आप
बाबा सहगल का गाना नहीं था? Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
मैं कैसे रॉन्ग हो सकता हूँ? बाबा साइकिल का ही था ना? आ जाओ मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, लॉन्ग ड्राइव जाएंगे, फुल स्पीड जाएंगे, कहीं रुकेंगे ना हम, गाना बजाना खाना पीना गाड़ी में होगा सनम।
But you did not answer my question yet.
किसको लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे लेके जाएंगे? फिलहाल तो मिस्टर आयुकाओ को लेके जाएंगे।
और बॉलीवुड में से किसे ले जाना चाहेंगे?
देखिए हम बैक स्टेज रुके हुए थे, वी वर वेटिंग बैक स्टेज एंड वी गॉट टू चैटिंग, एंड ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग आदमी है एंड आई वुड लव टू हैंग आउट विद हिम मोर, व्हिच इज व्हाई टुडे आई वुड लव टू गो ऑन द सी लिंक इन मुंबई एंड टेक मिस्टर आयुकावा and should give him a taste of the Mumbai nightlife and we can take this baby out on spin.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hi Ranveer, प्रेरणा from Rajshri. मेरा सवाल ये है कि रिपोर्ट्स आए